somewhat of a rarity. The woodchuck came out while I'm sitting here. Usually pretty shy, but I guess because I've been sitting here quietly long enough. Knows I'm here. But I'm not walking around or nothing, just sitting here. So I guess he's okay with that. Or she. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. It's a very gray woodchuck. They're usually more of a brownish color, I think. I could be wrong about that. It seems like most of the groundhogs I've seen were browner color. This fellow's quite gray. Or fellat. Still kind of watching a little boy off to my left, wandering around there, just hanging out. Do something interesting, woodchuck. I wish I could, I don't know how to, they do what they want, is what I'm getting at. You can't make them do anything. Whoops, the deer was walking down there and scared him. Alright. Yeah, little boy right there walked in and scared him. I think woodchuck ate it all, buddy.